Alright, I'm here at my workbench. I've designed a few igniters for solid state rocket motors, and I'd like to show them to you. So, very simply, it's two wires. They come up to the very end of this yellow, and then there's a very thin wire that arches between the two, and then the black is a little bit of black powder. So the idea is you run voltage and high current through this very thin wire, and then the wire heats up to the point where it almost disintegrates, and it's so hot that it causes the small amount of black powder to burn, and that's should be enough to get the ignition of the rocket motors. So we're going to try a test right now. I haven't actually tried this application. There will be one more step, but this is just a preliminary test. What I want to do is, in order to keep the black powder from crumbling off, I'll just dip the end into a little bit of wax. We should keep it still. So I've got a candle going here. I'll collect the wax in a bit. So anyways, I've got these two alligator clips hooked onto this test igniter. Oh, let's get that out of the way. There we go. To this test igniter. And the wire runs all the way down, all the way around and around and around and around and around, and back up to my launch controller. Now, if you haven't seen this, I can explain to you my launch controller too. So it's powered by 9 volts. It has a voltmeter, safety and armed lights, and the fire switch. So you turn the power on. Power light comes on, indicating you've got power. And then you can turn on the voltmeter to check what voltage you're at. Sitting at 9 volts, that's good. So you can turn that off. And then we need our launch control. So now we're safe. Turn the key. We're now armed. Open up the safety hatch, and then there's another toggle switch to fire. So we'll go ahead and fire this. 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go.